a toy car, and a ramp. The student collects the data shown in the table below. And then you can see underneath the data table, it asks us to identify different variables. So we'll start with question number 1. Click here. It says identify the independent variable in the experiment. The independent variable is the one thing that the scientist is purposely changing in his or her test. So the one thing that is purposely changed, as I look up the data table, is definitely not the ramp, because that stayed the same at 30 centimeters on every trial. And you can see there's 3 trials. So I'm looking over here at this column right here, the ramp height. 10 centimeters, it changed to 12 centimeters, and then changed a couple more times. So the one thing that definitely changed was the ramp height. Second one, identify the dependent variable. The dependent variable is what the scientist is observing, what they are measuring. In this case, that's the data. So the data is all the trials, and what they are measuring is how far the toy car rolls down that ramp. So the distance toy car rolls would be the answer. And then third question, identify the one controlled variable in the experiment. There's probably a lot of controlled variables, but the one that I know for sure is right here. It's the one thing that is kept the same. Now, it might have been the same toy car. We don't know that. It should have been the same toy car, but since that is unknown, we probably should not write that answer down. What I do know for sure is that they kept the ramp height the same at 30 centimeters every single time. So there you go. There's the answers.